welcome to the video. We are going to solve does array represents heap. In this question, we are given an array of length n. We have to return 1 if the given array represents a max heap and 0 if it does not. Okay, and I will repeat again, it should have been max heap. We'll see the example one. See the array is 90, 90, 15, 10, 7, 12, and 2. After converting into a heap-like structure, this will be the structure. See, the basic condition of heap is max heap is the parent. The parent should be greater and left should be smaller than right. Cool. Let's see how it goes. 90 is the parent greater than both of its child. Okay, it is. Then 15. 15 is greater than both of its child. Then 10. 10 is greater than 2. Okay, it follows the condition and hence it is the max heap. It represents the max heap, hence the output 1. See example 2. This is the array. Cool. Again we will check. But first of all, see the zeroth element itself is smaller than many of the succeeding elements. Thus it can never perform any in any case it cannot perform form a max heap. Cool. Also you will see 10 comes before 11, but 11 should come before 10. Otherwise, see in this heap also, in heap representation also, see 9 is smaller than 15 and 10. It it becomes out of bound there also, there itself. Then again 10 is smaller than 11. Again it does not satisfy the condition. Okay. So there are a lot of methods to do this equation. Like you can use a single loop and see how the elements are placed with the value of elements based on their index. Okay, but I will solve this question using basic method, not very, I will not complicate this since it is an easy question and I will solve this question in an easy format so that you will be able to understand in a much better way. See, first of all, I will create a negative array. So what I will do over here is I will use the same element which are there in the array, but I will negate them. Why I'm doing this? Because in Python, the default implementation, the Python provides implementation of mini heap only, not max heap. If you have to convert them, if you have to deal with max heap, you'll have to negate the elements. Okay. Okay. First, I will took the original array, converted each element in place into the negative form, and at the end, I just put all of them in a array called negative array, neg array. Cool. Now I will heapify this negative array. I heapified this negative array. So if this an array was already representing a max heap, well and good, it will not change. But if it were representing min heap or any other improper format, then here the structure of negative array will change. Will change. Cool. Now one more operation. I will create an array called max heap. Okay. Now I will again negate all the numbers. Negate all the numbers of this negative array. So in this manner, I will get the original array. Okay, so max heap stores the original array. Okay, original array, the negative array in the non-negative format, which means it is obviously max heap, but it is in non-negative format. Cool. Not till here, they should have ring a bell in your mind. If not, I will. You can pause the mind, pause the video, and we'll come again. Okay. I hope you have thought about it. Okay, so the basic condition over here is first I converted the same array into its negative format, typified it, okay, and I again converted into its original format. If the input array ARR was already in maxi format, by this time it would not have changed even a bit. Even when we negating it again will give us the original array in the original format, the same signs, okay. So at the end, we'll just check to one condition if max heap is same as the array, because it will only be same if it were if the array ARR was already in representing a max heap. If that is the case, return one. If that's not possible, like the array changed in place because it was not representing the max heap, or it was in any random format. Cool. In that case, it will get changed. and here I'm returning 0 because 0 means it does not represent a max heap. Now our solution prints okay passed all these cases in very less time. Okay, so I hope you learned a new concept, you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.